Alright, we're going to try some Cashman Bingo. I'm doing this one for my mother-in-law. This is like her favorite game. What's that? Yep. We're going to do max bet. And, oh, I forgot to turn the volume up. Mom, this one's for you. Of course, you know, if I lose, I'm going to blame it on you. So just be warned. Okay, so the purpose of this game is you want to get like, well, a bingo line up there. I'll take free games. I'll take free games. I didn't get free games. I thought we was going to get it there. I'm not going to lie. It gives me the tease, of course. He's up there dancing around. He's dancing around. And minor, we want that line right there. So we're hoping that we get this line up or this line across. Actually, the mini plus over there is 15. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm sorry. Yes, you're right. Like always, I want to thank High Winds Casino for allowing me to record. All right, we're getting close up there. Hey, he left. Where'd he go? What'd you do? What are you doing? Oh, he's increasing the prizes. Wow, he really increased that one. All right, thanks, little dude. Odd little man. Do that. Okay, when you get one that's already got it, it just adds to it, so that's pretty cool. Sorry I can't get the whole screen in, but my arm is like reaching as far as it can reach. So my little T-Rex arm just not gonna do it. No, I ain't letting you touch it. You're bad luck. I think it is, yeah. I think I got it one time before when we was out at Choctaw. I played it out there. I'm not exactly sure when, but ooh, that's a $75 one. Okay, that would be a really good one to get, that middle one. Yeah. Yeah, we want that middle one there either way, either up or down, because you got a minor that's $60 plus $16.50. But I would really like to get where that K is at right there.
That one would be really good too.
That's what I just said. That one would be good too, because either way, that's the middle. But I'm sure that won't be what we get, more likely. We're going to get it right here. I feel it. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. It's arthritis. It was arthritis. I need a chiropractor. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Either way, we're going to have a pretty decent hit. All the lines are getting pretty full up. I mean, It won't be too bad. I don't want to get the free game. Okay, so we've got several that's getting pretty full up. It filled up pretty quick. Ooh, that's a good one.
Hope we don't get that.
Yeah, that will be the one we'll probably get, more than likely. $16. The one we don't want to get is out and right there, which is probably the one we'll get, because that is by far the worst column.
Oh, this one's not.
And that one there's not much better, but hopefully we get either the first column or we get the middle one where we get the wheel, because either one will be good, because you got some good hits there. I really wish this was multi-denomination. I would love to play this on dimes or nickels. That's what when I was at Choctaw, I played it on nickels, I think. Alright, so now we're getting close to having another line. We started out at $500. We're down $140. We're gonna have to have a pretty good hit just to get our money back if we're not careful. I thought we got, thought we had it there for a second on that top crappy one. I really am hoping to get that middle one. I really want the wheel. Really, really hope. Fast spin. Now we got another mini up there. We got a lot of prizes up there. Well, it really, I know we're, yeah. We need the free games. There it is. That's a pretty good one. Pretty good one. We didn't get the wheel, unfortunately, but that's okay. $47.70. We're up $47, so. And then what sucks is that it all resets. Sometimes he gives 4. Most time he only gives 2. Oh, wow. Way to go, Roy. Roy, boy. Banana Fanta, poor boy. Alright, well guys, I'll tell you what, I think I'm going to stop right there. It's going to be too much to invest, I think. I mean, it wasn't too bad. I mean, I could try it. What do you think, Jackie? Call it. Boss lady said call it, so I'm going to do what she says. Make Mama happy. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Oklahoma Joe's Slots. Keep helping us grow. Give me those thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yep, that's right. What you doing. Alright, thanks guys.